I grew up on a diversified crop and livestock operation, so I've always been passionate about agriculture. I knew I wanted to study something in ag. I'm currently a senior here at Iowa State, which is where we are today. I major in agricultural communications and I have a minor in animal science. Also, I grew up showing cattle and goats, and my family has a beef cattle operation. So coming here, I also wanted to tie in that animal side of things. I'm only like 45 minutes away from Ames, so I'm glad that I can still be close to my family here, and coming here just felt like home. This is also one of the top ag schools in the country, so this was an easy pick for me. Since I'm an ag communications major, I take agriculture classes and communications classes. So right now my schedule has a little bit of both. I'm currently in an animal science welfare class. I'm also in a public relations course, a social media strategy class, and then an agricultural communication internship course, which we've kind of walked through our previous internship experiences and just reflected on those skills that we've learned. I have been very fortunate to gain a lot of experience in all different sides of ag communications. The summer after my freshman year, I spent at home working in my home extension office as their summer intern, so I helped with the fair and different 4-H programs, which I had a lot of fun doing. After my sophomore year, I spent a summer as the communications intern for the Iowa Egg Council and the Egg Industry Center. So I got to do that communication side of things in a smaller commodity type industry and job, which was really fun. And then this past summer, I spent with Syngenta as their seeds marketing intern, which gave me the opportunity to see the bigger corporate side of things and what it looks like to be on the marketing team on that side of the world. I like to keep myself busy, so even though I am a senior, kind of winding back, I'm in the professional agricultural sorority on campus, Sigma Alpha, where I currently serve as the CALS Council representative for the College of Agriculture and Life Sciences. So it's like a student council, but for the college. And then I'm also the publicity chair, so I have like 3 roles in one. I'm also involved in the Collegiate Cattlemen Club based off my beef interest, block and bridle because I showed livestock, and then I'm also in the National Agro-Marketing Association to get my marketing and ag communications fix in there. The agriculture industry has so many opportunities. So many of me and my friends are in the ag com world, and we are all going down different paths, which is so awesome. Marketing, communications, sales, HR, public relations, it's just so broad, and I think that is what is so awesome about not only the ag communications major, but also the agriculture industry in general. In a world this big, the agriculture industry is so small and so many people know each other. It's so easy to make connections, make friends. I have loved being here at Iowa State just because the agriculture industry I've gotten into here has truly made me feel at home away from home. So I just think that agriculture is so special, and the world does not run without it. So why wouldn't you want to be a part of this amazing industry?